Hey everyone, today I want to show you how you can use Langchain and ChatGPT for entity resolution. Entity resolution is a situation where competing sources have conflicting or similar attributes about an entity. So, as an example, here's a financial example. We have a company called Apple who is publicly traded. They have a ticker, a CUSIP, and a CDOL. Now, some sources will say that some sources could say that either the ticker, the CUSIP, or the CDOL are different. So we can see in this situation, Bloomberg and FactSet have different attributes for this company than the SEC and Yahoo Finance. These are made up numbers, so they're not actually the CUSIP CDOL. So what we can do is we can use the large language model for cross-referencing and source hierarchy. We can use these two functions as a way of solving entity resolution. So the way it works is so I'm prompting, not only am I giving source data, I'm giving the actual source data, but I'm also providing a prompt, which is our source hierarchy. So if there is a mat or if there's a tie, here's the tiebreaker. And then since we have competing sources, we can now do cross-referencing. We can compare sources against each other. I'm not doing any of this, but ChatGPT is doing it via the large language model. So the prompt that we're giving ChatGPT is, what is the ticker CUSIP CDOL of the company? Make sure we don't mix results. We don't want you to pick the Bloomberg FactSet ticker and then the SEC and Yahoo Finance CUSIP and CDOL. It's got to be all the same. So given that prompt, ChatGPT response was, the company Apple has ticker AAPL, CUSIP 12345, etc. And it chose this because it's using this rank order, Bloomberg FactSet, and they both are consistent. Now, if we change this to at enter, enter, er, so in this case, since we have a different CDAL here for FactSet, it automatically knows that this is unreliable, so it's going to be picking Bloomberg for the ticker QSIP and CDAL. So this is an automatic way of comparing sources and solving entity resolution. You can also do this with companies. So if you have sources of company data, company name, address, city, state from different locations, you could use this bot to identify a company and their location given competing sources. Thank you.